Just an advance notice. I will be walking you to my Calabasa area, but I will also talk about American Beauty, the dragon fruit variety. Please don't get confused about the images you see on the video and the bigger story behind. Stay with me. This story is about how I became a gardener, because in the past all I did in my free time was sit on the couch and watch TV. But mostly, watching YouTube. My gardening journey started when I planted something in one part of my yard where it needed a plant. So, I went to the plant nursery, and I ended up buying a grapevine. It was 2020. The following year, I saw my grapevine gave fruits for the first time. The fruits were hanging. I thought it was a joke. I said, "You are joking." I was laughing. I can't believe in my eyes. I did not expect that. This one-time excitement led me to learn more about gardening techniques, plant care, and the different varieties of plants. And then, my dragon fruits gave beautiful flowers, and then, for the first time, I tasted that American Beauty. I got hooked. American Beauty is a dragon fruit variety with juicy red flesh, very sweet that resembles pineapple watermelon flavors, and I was no longer laughing, I was eating, but I got serious. I built this greenhouse, and from just a gardener, I became a grower. With enough sunlight, tropical plants can thrive even in some parts of the US mainland. I will see you again in my next video. And always remember, to always be careful when working on your yard, for you and for everyone around. Please comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.